Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Seller speaking. As you can see, I even have placed an alarm to let me know when this trade is going to be triggered. So today's deal of the day is going to be on the pound JPY, and I believe we can start shorting this pair very shortly. Let me just explain to you my reasons about this signal. First of all, the daily chart shows us right here, guys, that the market has indeed rejected to break out from the level of the resistance, actually a real resistance at 170.592. If we scroll to the left side, however, we can confirm that on the daily chart, this, guys, has indeed been a very strong real level of a resistance, as we can see right here. So, going back to the current time, we can tell that most likely the next candle for tomorrow, Tuesday, is gonna be bearish as well. Now, considering also the strength of the Japanese yen, as you can see right here, I have sent you the signal for shorting the USDJPY, and the signal has been triggered exactly almost there from the sell level at 135. It's just been triggered like 1.8 pips far away from the entry point, but I consider it, of course, as activated trade. Right now it's going in about 56 pips of profit. Therefore, we can actually be sure, even the gold signal is also triggered, guys, running in 26 pips of profit. Anyway, the point here is that the Japanese yen is getting stronger, and most likely we can sell the pound against the Japanese yen. Now, moving to the 30-minute time frame, as you can see right there exactly, we're having here the peak of the nearest level of a real resistance exactly at 170.548. Now, using the trend lines strategy, which I really believe in, right here we can see that the market has formed a real level of a resistance trend line, which has been respected. Then we can see that the market has formed here a fake breakout. Now what you can do next is simply drag the very same level of a real resistance trend line and just place it exactly right there at the nearest real level of a resistance trend line as well. Now you can see that the market has respected the same level as a support trend line, but instantly made a bearish breakout from that level. So meaning, and considering also that we're having here a support zone, most likely the pound JPY is going to make a pullback, and then the real level of a real resistance right here and right there are going to be respected, and we can most likely sell the pound JPY exactly on the same level of this real level of a resistance trend line, which will most likely be also respected exactly on that level. So meaning, selling right there is going to be our option. Not to mention, of course, that by using the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that this is actually Fibonacci 50, which means it's going to be a good idea for the sell, and 61.8 is just a little bit above it, meaning our stop loss has got to be placed just right there above 61.8, which means our stop loss is going to be just 40 pips. Now, for the take profit level, actually we will be aiming the nearest resistance right here to the entry, which is going to be right here exactly at 169.583. Now, by moving to the daily chart, I believe that the pound JPY is going to continue to fall even more than that. We can place our take profit level to be right here at the lowest level of the support, but to have a secure and safe entry, guys, a safe take profit level, I'm going to choose this level of the nearest resistance right here as of our take profit level, which means we can actually expect to make 110 pips profit from this signal. Let me just write it down for you. 1 second. Right here, exactly. I know, wait a minute, that is not a safe zone anymore. We are talking about deal of the day. Therefore, that's going to be actually a sell area at 170.548 and a stop loss right now at 170.962 and the take profit level at 169.456. Now, of course, a kind reminder, guys, that you should really join the Telegram free group to receive the notifications and updates about these signals, because if this signal went badly against our direction, I'm gonna send a notification right here to let everyone to close this trade immediately before it reaches the stop loss. I'm a trader who believes in the price action, and that's the reason, of course, I can send you the notification based on the price action to close this trade as soon as possible before it hit the stop loss. And also I want to say that each trader, guys, have sometimes bad days. So therefore, I hope that if this signal have failed, no one is gonna judge me, no one is gonna put the gun on my head or something, because as you can see guys, it's very normal that sometimes our trades won't go in the right prediction. Therefore, please make sure that you are prepared for the losses, you have been prepared for any unexceptions to happen. So please make sure that you have dedicated amount to invest in this trade. For example, make sure that your stop loss is gonna be the amount that you are investing in this deal. If your stop loss is $200, that's your investment in this deal. If your stop loss is $1,000, that's your investment in this deal. So again, make sure that your stop loss is gonna be your investment, and you are prepared for this kind of loss if it happened. But I believe most likely, guys, this is gonna be a good trade. Otherwise, I wouldn't actually decide to send it as a deal of the day. So wish you guys wish everyone here a good luck, and until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.